If you are over 50 and struggling with stubborn belly fat, don't force yourself into intense workouts. Welcome to Gentle Tai Chi Walking. Let's burn belly fat safely and help you feel 10 years younger. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 1. Underknee clap walk. Lift your knees while stepping and gently clap your hands beneath each knee. This gentle motion activates your deep lower core and burns stubborn belly fat while protecting your joints. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 2. Forward tap and arm reach. Tap one foot forward while reaching both arms high above your head. This stretches your spine, stimulates blood circulation, and fires up your core for continuous fat burning. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 3. Side bend stretch. Keep your arms flat and bend gently to the side while reaching one hand upward. This targets side waist fat, stimulates liver and gallbladder meridians, and melts away waist stiffness. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 4. High knee arm lift. Lift your knee while extending one arm straight up and pushing the other down. This improves balance, strengthens leg muscles, and engages your lower abdomen to melt visceral fat. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 5. Elbow to knee twist. Lift your knee and gently twist your torso so the opposite elbow moves toward the knee. This rotation massages abdominal organs and targets stubborn waist fat gently and safely. 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 6. Side step arm swing. Step side to side while swinging your arms gently as your body weight shifts. This stimulates full body blood circulation, warms up your waist, and burns calories continuously without joint strain. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 7. Front kick and arm swing. Kick your legs straight forward while swinging both arms down. This movement engages your lower ABS, boosts balance, and melts stubborn lower belly fat effortlessly. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 8. Back step and arm stretch. Step one foot back while extending your arms straight forward. Then pull back to your waist. This gentle rowing motion strengthens your back, opens your chest, and fires up your core. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 9. Forward bend, clap, and chest opener. Bend forward gently to clap your hands, then open your arms and lean back slightly to expand your chest. This stretches your spine, relieves waist stiffness, and stimulates deep breathing. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 10. Cross arm side extension. Stand with feet shoulder width apart and swing your arms rhythmically side to side. This gentle twist releases upper back tension, loosens shoulder joints, and improves flexibility. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 11, back kick step. Place hands on your waist and step while gently lifting your heels toward your glutes. This strengthens your hamstrings, supports knee health, and burns leg calories continuously. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 12, toe raise and shoulder lift. Rise onto your toes while lifting your shoulders, then release gently. This movement promotes calf circulation, boosts ankle stability, and releases deep neck and shoulder stress. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 13, arm lift and toe press. Raise your arms while rising onto your toes, then press your arms down and lower your feet. This gentle flow strengthens your calves, improves balance, and engages your core effortlessly. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 14, horse stance weight shift. Hold a gentle half squat with arms crossed, shifting your weight smoothly from side to side. This strengthens leg muscles, stabilizes your knees, and targets deep belly fat. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 15, back step chest opener. Step one leg back while reaching forward, then pull your arms back to open your chest. This improves back posture, relieves shoulder tension, and keeps your body burning calories. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 16. Gentle squat and stand. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart and alternate between a shallow squat and standing tall. This boosts full-body metabolism, strengthens thighs, and firm up your lower abdomen safely. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go! Exercise 17. Side stretch and weight shift. Shift your weight to the front leg while sweeping your arms down from above. This gentle lateral stretch relaxes tight hips, slims your waistline, and enhances overall flexibility. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go! Exercise 18. Gentle alternating punch. Stand stable and punch forward gently, alternating left and right hands. This easy movement tones your arms, rotates your waist safely, and leaves you feeling completely refreshed and energized. Wonderful job today! Which movement made your waist feel most energized? Tell me in the comments below. Remember to like, subscribe, and practice daily to stay 10 years younger.